guys, today I'm going to share with you a DIY that I've done in class yesterday. It's a miniature tissue box. My mom was very shocked because it's very small and that she couldn't bring it to her office. For this tissue box, you'll need 3 pieces of 3 by 3 inch papers. Any kind of color you like will be just fine. And then some black colored pen and a correction pen. For the design that you want, I chose this design, but it doesn't really match my facial expression. Nice. And then we'll need some tissue. You just need to cut 1 tissue into 3 pieces and then roll it together with a pen. And some scissors. For all of you children who are watching this, make sure you ask for a dog for assistance. Let's begin. First, you need to fold this into half, like this, and then do it again the second time. But this time, you remove it, and then fold it once more, but only over here. You fold it in these kind of sides. There. Then, when you see this, right? You need to put this in the back. Doing it like you're making a boat. Then, remove this piece and put this one over here. Now, for this part, you need to fold these pieces. Put them back. Do the same to the other one. Right here. You flip it, and voila! You've done a part of the tissue box. Now, you need to do 3 more of these, and then let's begin. So how to make the box of the tissue. You really need to cut that part. This will take forever.
It's okay.
You all know the steps, and you need to use these steps 3 times on 3 pieces of 3-inch paper. Okay, piece of the box number 2. Oh, this will take. Okay, now we've got all 3 parts to make a box. Now, you see these things over here? You're going to put each one inside, like a pocket. Just follow me. Like this. Okay, so this piece, you'll need to use the scissors for this. And of course, to make it more safer, just fold it like this and put the lines. here. Cut it into pieces like this. And there. Now the only thing we need to do is here. Now this is where you need to put the tissue. You need to put it inside the box. But what's this? It's too big. Well, don't need to, because you just need to release some of the pieces. Make it smaller. So, small enough to fit. Like this. I know it's a little bit big, but at least it's big enough. Okay, and for this part, you'll need to put the rest of the tissue inside here. Make sure it fits, otherwise you will break it. Now, you need to put the last piece in here. Put it in here. I know, it's a little confusing. Finally, the last part. We need to cut this part. Oh, that didn't work. And now it's time to put the designs. And my design will be different from this one. This time I'll put my real facial expression. Okay, let's start. There will be a circle, like what all eyes have. I'll put some black parts over here. Okay, like this. Do this to the other side. Sorry, my pen is not that much. It doesn't have that much ink. Now, let's put the white parts over here, which is the use of the correction ink. You squeeze more. Like this. And then okay, done with the eyes. And now, back to the black pen, where, of course, I'll make the same nose. And then, now the eyelashes, because I'm a girl. There. Here's the designs. Now I'll put some tissue, which will be smaller than last time. Okay. And you need to use the scissors to cut this into pieces. Put the part of it over here. The final touch, which will take some time. Like that. And then drop this one in. Just need a little more space. How come this one's not working? Wait a minute. Is this because this one's a smaller version? And so, you'll need to put this tissue inside the box. And oopsie daisy. Just pull it in like this. Attach the rest of the tissue inside the box. I know, it looks different. It's just, you need to cut it two times, and then put another one in here. Now, attach it inside. Let's hope it works. I've been doing this for hours now. There, finally worked. And then put it inside the box. And then fold it in. And then, voila! You made your own tissue box. Oh my gosh, it looks smaller than the other one. See? It's like mom and me. Hope you like this. See you later. See you on my next vlog. Bye.